this video, we'll do some basic formatting and add data bars in order to make this spreadsheet easier to read at a glance. This builds on a previous video where we took a look at multiplying cells to get these desired values. If you missed it, I'll link it up above as well as in the description below. Hey, what's up? Chad here with Determined Data, helping you organize and manage your information in the most efficient way possible. If you're new here, on this channel I do Excel tips and tricks videos as well as tutorials just like this one. So if you find it helpful, consider subscribing. So this is where we left off with our senior class fundraiser. And now we want to just do some basic formatting, and we also add some data bars to our net profit column to make this data set easier to read. So let's quickly just do some basic formatting here. We'll add a line here on the bottom of our title here, and let's add a total here to the bottom. And then right here we'll go ahead and populate this with the auto sum function, and it's going to go ahead and add up all of this column here for us. And you can see here that our class has pulled in $1,007 total. And now let's just add a border right here to the bottom. Let's make it a double border. All right, and now what we want to do is add some data bars to our column net profit here. To do that, first we need to highlight the cells range that we want the data bar to be applied to, and then come up here under the Home tab to Conditional Formatting. We have a section here for data bars, and then you can pick what color you want right here. Let's go with green, and there you go. And as you can see here, you have it also works for the negative numbers as well. So before it was kind of hard to see who had negative and who was not because it was only outlined with parentheses. And now we can quickly see at a glance who is actually losing money, who's making us the most money, and now it is much more easier to read. In the next video, we'll learn the definitions of mean, median, and mode and how to calculate them with this data set. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe for more content.